So Christmas has come early for some female prisoners at the Langata Maximum Women's Prison. Following a presidential pardon, 14 of these prisoners have now been released. Zinzi Kibiku has the details.
Sounds of cheers, ululation and laughter filled the air outside Langata Maximum Women's Prison. Not even the cold Nairobi rain would keep these inmates from escorting their fellow inmates. At 68 years old, Teresa Wanjiku was serving a lifetime sentence, but that has now changed. After 24 years in prison, the mother of a 29-year-old daughter is ready to return home. Out of the 14 prisoners who were awarded certificates of participation in the presidential award scheme, one of them was Caroline, the mother of a 3-year-old who was sentenced to prison for dealing in fake money.
Nilishikwa na pesa fake, nikiwa raia, nikiwa Rongai, nikashikwa, nikafungwa miaka 5. Okay, ikabidi tu niridhike tu na kifungo juu ni kitendo nilifanya. Nikaingia jela, nikaanza kufanya ma activities zenye zinatokea kama za Bible studies na michezo kama sakata, volleyball, netball.
The 24-year-old mom couldn't be more excited to see her family this Christmas. She was part of the women who visited President Kenyatta earlier today at State House after participating in a youth program that focuses on community service, skills and recreational activities.
Ikatokea hii presidential award inafundisha watu kuanzia 25 years and below. Hata mimi nilijoin nikafanya kidogo ili kupata certificate juu sikumaliza. So ikawa wanaenda kugraduate State House. Ikawa sakata ya Langata ndio tunaenda kusakata huko State House. Tukaenda, tukasakata, president akafurahi, akasema anataka warrant zetu, akashughulikia. Yeah, leo ametuachilia.
We're all excited and because it brought hope to the other inmates who are serving life sentence. Because life sentence so far in our constitution, it has no limit. All right? So life is life as it is now. So it's until maybe your case is presented for pardon, it's probably when you can't go home. So there are those who are just serving life. It gives them hope that yes, there is light at the end of the tunnel. You could be released from prison after serving so many years.
All 14 women received awards, but only 7 went home while the other 7 are on pre-trial cases. The Power of Mercy Act of 2011, Article 133 of the Constitution, symbolizes a doorway to freedom for these women. Despite their release, a close eye is still kept on them as they make their way back into society.
Especially this category that were released, the directive is very clear because they were released earlier, much earlier than their date of release. Some of them were supposed to go home in 2018, 2017. So they have a 5-year supervision.
Apart from granting freedom to offenders, the Power of Mercy Act also allows the president to postpone punishment for a specific period or indefinitely. Zinzi Kibiku, KTN News.